Hello, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 11 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from smartphone to TV using YouTube app. In the beginning, make sure that both devices are connected to same Wi-Fi, and then on your smartphone enter YouTube app. Now, on the top of the screen, select Screencast button and select your TV. Now when devices are connected, you can play any music or video you want on your smartphone and it will be displayed on the TV. And that's basically it. If you want to disconnect your smartphone from the TV, again press this button and select disconnect. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.